Hello everyone! Good morning guys! Today is April 4. Snowstorm ngayon dito sa Vermont, America guys. Tignan nyo ang snow. Oh, April na ngayon ha. April 4, 2024. Tignan nyo, look at this. It's snowing everywhere. It's snowing everywhere. It's so many snow. Look at that in the front of my house. Pero ang ganda niya tignan sa tree. Oh. Para siyang Christmas tree. Para siyang white Christmas. Yeah, parang white Christmas. But it's not a white Christmas, ha? Oh, snowing in the front now. Ilang inches kaya yan? 10? 12? Mga 12 yata eh. Mga ganon. Bye!